Test on exponents and logarithms. Question 24. Describe the transformation from y equals to log 2x to obtain the graph of the function y equals to log 8 basis 8, 64 over x. This is a thinking and communication problem. It's a tough question, right? Read it once again. Now note here that you need to describe transformation from y equals to log to the base 2x to obtain the graph of y equals to log to the base 8. Do you see that? So base are different. Normally, till now the questions which you've done, the base was same and it was much simpler. Now you see the base is different. So make a note of that. So that is what you have to describe. Okay, that makes this question unique in itself, and it is only of one kind in this set of videos. Okay, so go through it very carefully and try to understand how to do these kinds of questions, right? So we can write this function as y equals to log 8 64 over x, correct? So from here we can write an exponential form. So we get 8 to the power of y equals to 64 over x, correct? Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So this is 2 to the power of 3y equals to 64 over x, correct? Now we can take log to the base 2 because we want log to the base 2, right? On both the sides. So we get log to the base 2 of 2 to the power of 3y, which is equals to log to the base 2 of 64 over x. Correct? Now, since this is log to the base 2 of this, so we get 3y on the left side. So on the left side we get 3y equals 2. Now here we can say, we can write this into difference, right? So we get log 2 of 64 minus log 2 of x. Okay? So that's how we can write. And so we can get y equals to 1/3 of log 2 of 64, which is log 2 of 64 is 2 to the power of 6 minus log 2 of x, correct? Now let me take it on the other side to show you more clearly. So now we can write this, we'll rewrite this, y equals to 1/3, and we have log 2 to the power of 6, that means 6, right? 6 minus log 2 of x, correct? Now we can open this bracket and write down 1/3 of 6 is 2, 2 minus 1/3 of log 2x, correct? Now that we'll just rearrange 1/3 log 2x plus 2. Do you see that? So we changed the base from 8 to 2 while doing the basic procedures, right? So the steps shown here are very interesting. First we changed from log to exponential form and then back to the log form, right? And then found, the y value, correct? So that is one of the most interesting examples in this set of videos. And now from here you can write down how this function is related with log to the base 2 of x. So the transformation is 1, vertically compressed by half, and second is reflections, right? We can write reflection first. We say reflection on x-axis, correct? So that is a vertical reflection. And then we have vertical compression by factor of 1/3, and lastly vertical translation 2 units up, right? So translation so these are the transformations of our function. Do you see that? So go through it once again, try to understand how we have done It is really a very interesting question. Share with your friends. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.